Welcome back to the open road. Go ahead and ease onto the accelerator as we continue our drive east on Wisconsin State Highway 11. We have a brief but beautiful 2.5-mile stretch ahead of us today. For the exact next 3 minutes, we're going to cruise together down this Midwestern asphalt, moving out of the quiet, rolling farmlands of Walworth County and heading directly toward the historic city limits of Burlington. Settle into your lane, maintain a relaxed speed, and look out at the sweeping agricultural landscape unfolding on both sides of your windshield. This specific region, right around the quiet township of Spring Prairie, represents the beating heart of America's Dairyland. You are driving through land that has been meticulously cultivated by local families for generations. For well over a century, the remarkably fertile soil beneath these massive fields has yielded rich, golden harvests of corn and soybeans. This land feeds the robust local dairy herds that the Wisconsin countryside, while also helping feed the rest of the nation. Take a deep breath and appreciate the wide, open, uncluttered spaces before we reach the city limits. As you keep your speed steady down Highway 11, let your mind drift forward toward our destination. We are rapidly approaching Burlington, a bustling town that holds one of the most delightful nicknames in the entire country. They proudly call it Chocolate City, USA. If you roll your car windows down just a fraction right now, you might actually catch the faint, sweet scent of warm, roasted cocoa lingering in the air. Burlington has been the proud home of a massive Nestle chocolate factory since the 1920s. Today, that sweet legacy completely defines the local culture, culminating every year in the massive Burlington Chocolate Fest, an enormous celebration that draws thousands of chocolate lovers from all across the Midwest. But Burlington is not just about sweets. As we glide past these traditional Wisconsin farmhouses, you are driving toward a city shaped by the sheer power of the Fox River. In the 1830s, early pioneer settlers harnessed the river's rushing waters, building the essential sawmills that transformed a wild frontier outpost into a thriving industrial center. You are now crossing the line into Racine County. Up ahead, you should see your destination approaching on the right-hand side at West 1950 Wisconsin Highway 11. Tap your brakes gently, activate your turn signal, and pull smoothly off the highway. Thank you for riding along on this exact 3-minute journey. You have officially arrived.